Our second example we're going to look at has an application of matrices and the adding and subtracting process. So I have two tables here, and these tables show the number of hours two students spent on homework in math and science classes. And if you didn't notice, Caitlin's in here in the video today. Hi guys. She's gotten a lot bigger probably since the last time you saw her. Anyway, fall semester, we have our student A and student B, the number of hours they spent on homework for math and science. And then we also have the whole school year, student A and student B, how many hours they spent on homework. We want to find out which student spent more time on homework total in the spring semester. Well, we don't have a table representing the spring semester. This is one of those situations that I could use a matrix to represent my data. So for the fall semester, I could take this data and make a 2x2 matrix. 2 rows, 2 columns. And my 2x2 matrix would look like this. I guess the biggest reason this is nice is because I don't need to necessarily label everything. And then for the whole year, my matrix, my 2x2 matrix would look like this. Now, to figure out how many hours each student spent on homework in the spring semester, we would take that whole year minus the fall. So I can take this problem and really use matrix subtraction to find the answer to my problem. So my whole year, my matrix that represents the whole year is 300, 227, 282, 231, minus 166, 133, 140, 120. So just like before, in order to subtract my matrices, I have the same dimensions. They're both 2x2s. So I subtract each corresponding entry. So 300 minus 166 would be 134. 227 minus 133 is 94. Oh. 282 minus 140 is 142. And then 231 minus 120 is 111. Okay. So these top two numbers represent the number of hours student A spent on math and on science. And this bottom row represents student B, how much he spent on math and science. So altogether, student A spent 134 plus 94 hours. It's 228 total hours in the spring. And student B spent 142 plus 111, 253 total spring hours. So to answer our question, which student spent more time on homework in the spring semester? Student B.